The mystical art of priming is complex, with various applications depending on the artist. Using a white primer, however, is anything but a lost art. It's vibrant throughout the creative world. As for me, I know only one way to apply white primer, my way. Timmy's technique has been perfected over just a few decades, but that doesn't stop me from maintaining a resolute attitude when it comes to achieving the best possible first layers of paint. Using a combination of an airbrush and a bristle-tipped brush, I gently apply a very conservative first layer of titanium white acrylic paint, mixed with airbrush thinner for optimum thinness.
Three, 2, 1.
Next, I focus on the extruded details of the model, adding additional layers of white to emphasize these raised areas. This approach enhances the model's ability to reflect light effectively. This little guy's origin story began when he tumbled into a vat of yeast. Unbeknownst to the bakers, the cake they were about to bake was no ordinary dessert. Instead of the spider becoming part of the cake became part of the spider, and thus an anti-hero of equal parts, creepy and delicious.
Get off the stage!
The next day, I prepared a 1-to-1 mixture of white and gloss, applying it carefully to the sprinkles to make them pop. It was time to add yellow yeast. The spider donut demanded a bold palette, and yellow was the obvious choice. For the body's base color, a vibrant hue that made the hard-to-reach crevices appear more lifelike. Creating an undercooked, doughy-looking second layer was a bit of a challenge. The yellow base color already provided plenty of golden hues. I initially tried mixing yellow with chocolate brown, but it was all in vain. Things got even trickier when I introduced lighter shades like ballet slippers and khaki brown, which shifted the tone to a golden mustard. It wasn't until I added a touch of orange that I finally achieved the color I was aiming for. Another update to you from TimmyTatters. We're going to be updating the video. Stand by as we upload the part 2 to this video chronology. We are just a little behind, but we'll go ahead and finish the main body on the next episode. Till then, see you there.
Yesiree.